Okay, good morning all participants. From today rather, we are going to learn all the concept with the help of this project. Okay, this project will be quite big. Okay, you will require at least 6 to 8 hours to develop this project. So I have just designed a wireframe. So normally this is the normal process when you work in a company. There are two teams, one a design team and one is a developer team. So obviously our job is to develop the site. We are not supposed to be the designers. Designers are the artists, okay, who work on the colors, images, and that we have learned in the UI UX session. What are the responsibilities of design and developer? So this is what is given to the developer, yet there are no images. Okay, what is the text to be put inside the web pages, it is not decided, but the developer have to work over this template and create a structure. Okay, and later on when the project progresses, normally this individual page is uh, gets evolved, right? So this is what is the primary design I have thought of. Okay, this is not complete design. Okay, I will be adding the pages, but for the sake of beginning, I have just created 2 pages. So this is what we are going to do. Okay, assume that this is what is given to us by the designer. Normally the designer will give the Photoshop image or the Corel Draw image, which will have the entire thing, okay, how it will look. Okay, but sometimes it also gives you the wireframe diagram. So wireframe diagram, I have not used any software to develop that. I have used the PowerPoint. Okay, so this is just a presentation, right? So here what we have a company logo or a company text or whatever, if you are developing a personal profile. So assume that we are doing our we are freelance developer, and we have our own company, or we can say firm. Okay, single person company, and we are going to develop this website for us. Okay, so this is what normally a normal freelance IT freelance developer or freelance programmer have. Okay, so it will have a company logo, then you will have a home section, then project section, services section, and contact us. So home section, this is the first page, home page. Now in the project section, you will have what are the projects you have done up till now. Okay, as if you are a freelance programmer. So we will give the in brief. Okay, what are the projects you have done up till now. Then in the services, you will talk about what are the various services, or what kind of projects you deal with. Okay, so you will explain what are the technology stack that you are working on. Now obviously here we will not go into the detail, but because to go into the detail we require the designer team. See, unless and until we have images, correct logos, icons, okay, our website design will be not as professional as it is required. Okay, unless and until you have a designing capability. Okay, obviously some of you may are good designers, so they can go ahead and obviously improve this project in whatever sense you find it improvable, right? So I don't claim that this is of a professional design. This is what my aim is, to just put together everything that we have learned up till now, okay, in a big project. So obviously this will be a revision of whatever the concept and how these concepts that we have learned, okay, up till now in the last 12 sessions that we have gone through. Okay, so this project will touch upon each and every aspect that we have learned. So this will be a quite an application of all those concepts, right? So obviously this project will be not big, because it will take hardly 2 or 3 days for you to develop this entire project. Okay, but obviously the real projects works for the months. Okay, at least 1 month, 2 month, 3 months. Bigger projects work for 3 to 4 months altogether. A website, professional website, okay, for a company takes almost 1.5 month or 2 months. Okay, and the prices are also in that range, near about 50,000, 70,000, 80,000 they charge in Indian side. If you get the offshore project, that means out of India, the prices are much more, right? So this is very good lucrative business, and you can register yourself as a freelance developer, okay, at any site, and you can start working. So obviously these skills matter a lot nowadays. Okay, there are always in a demand for freelance website developers, right? Okay, anyways, so this is what is the design. So contact us, service, projects, and home, these will be the four sections that we have. So this is what is the screen you are looking at, the home section. So in the home section, what we have a background image which will cover the entire screen. Okay, this is what the designer must have thought of. Okay, obviously I have referred several online designs. Okay, then only I'm talking, I'm repeating again, I'm not a designer, so obviously I have to give some design references by the designer. So I have gone on online and I have visited several sites. Okay, and from that I have combined several ideas together, and this is what my representation of the this site will be. So here we will have some background image which will cover the entire screen. Okay, so it will also cover this this navigation bar, but okay, so this will be covering the entire screen. So then we have this section, okay, or a division within this section, which will have this div tag, and then here it will have some text. Okay, hey there, welcome to Vidhan. Now Vidhan is my company. So your own IT specialist. Okay, so whatever tagline you might have, and no more. So no more, you will go to the, when it is a button, when it is clicked, you will go to the contact us or services or project. We will decide to which we can. Normally it is services, no more. Okay, because we are offering the services, right? So this is what normally the site looks like. Okay, there are a lot of similar websites you can see on the internet. This is what is the design template I have. Okay, this is normally a lot of 50 to 60% of the website which are for the freelancer, okay, follow this theme. Okay, so this is what we are going to follow, right? So this is the home page, and then the second page is our services. Okay, projects, actually services should be here and project should be here. Okay, that is my mistake. But services, okay, I will just swap it when the uh, coding, while coding, right? So services again, seem we will not have a background image. Okay, okay, we will not require any background image, but this is the section, okay, service section, where you will have this entire container, okay, which will hold a heading and a paragraph which describes little two or three lines talking about what kind of services you are taking. Here I have given the garbage okay, text. Okay, obviously this text will be written, whatever this paragraph, okay, you are not supposed to write it. Okay, it will be given by the content writer. Okay, normally the developer team also have the content writer which writes the content. Okay, for the particular site you have to hire it. Obviously in the normal circumstances, a developer have to do everything, and you will copy paste some from somewhere, or you will create your own. Okay, like discussing with your client. Okay, but normally the professionally it is the job of the content writer. Okay, what we should be the text. Okay, so this is what, whatever the text you are seeing, okay, the content will be written by the content writer. Here we have just given the placeholder, right? So this is dummy text. So here you will have a logo, okay, some kind of icons, not logo. Okay, so we will put depending upon what kind of services. For example, if it is a web development, then we can give here some icon which is related with the web development. If it is a mobile application development, then here we will have a related icon. Okay, so similarly project management, okay, then okay, in internet of things, if you are giving services, okay, such kind of development services, so this page will go for this. So obviously I'm not going to develop the full-fledged website, okay, because our purpose is to learn the concepts that we have up till now. See, ultimately changing the icon, changing the text, okay, you can do it any time, right? It requires a little bit of thing, but to save the time I will keep it placeholder only. Why? Because you can feel it, okay, on your own. There is no nothing to teach, okay, how to do that. Okay, it's simply you will decide one text content and you will put it over there depending upon what type of service you are offering, right? So obviously this will also have some background image. Okay, so I have told over here this will have a background image. So this is okay, so this will be a responsive site. So these two pages, how they will look in the website, sorry, mobile screen, as well as in on the tablet screen. Here you will finally we will have one menu icon, okay, a burger menu over here. I have forgotten to put it over here, but that will we will do in the last. Okay, so we will cover that, no issues. Okay, for that we require also some jQuery to be written, so I will cover it afterwards. Okay, so then we will have same background image over here, and then whatever this page, okay, looks like on the desktop, it on the mobile it will look like this. Okay, so, and little bit similar way it will also look like in a tablet. Okay, so we will have three screen sizes, breakpoints. Okay, mobile screen, tablet screen, and desktop screen. So we will be designing this project for the three screen sizes, right? So our media query will be written for the three screen sizes. Obviously we will follow the mobile first approach. That means we will design everything for the look, considering the mobile, and then we will go for the desktop and a tablet, right? So this is how the our services page will look like. And so when you go on scrolling, and these squares that you can see over here, okay, they will appear one after the other. Okay, right? So this is how it will look on the mobile screen. So let us start developing this project. Okay, and okay, we will meet in the next session. I will break this video here. We will meet in the next session.